totally new microphone setup this time. Get the spike warmed up a little bit. So, Movo boom mic, which actually is surprisingly tiny. It's, compared to the other boom mics, it can actually fit behind the cheek pad, which would actually solve a problem I had with using the Bluetooth headset and the boom mic, and I had two boom mics sitting out there, always going to give these cheap things. Just seemed silly. Seemed like it was too much. Obviously I haven't figured out a way to split the input from single boom mic into both devices. That would have been ideal, but we'll see. Visor up. Alright, out in the wind. This speed, this windscreen actually does a decent job. Still not fully warmed up yet. The gain was -12 with AGC on in this test. To do that, then I actually have the other. I'm going to try plugging the mic into the Hero 8 just to see if any of my mic issues were related to my actual camera setup. I haven't tried the GoPro in a while. GoPro 8 has no gain control whatsoever for the mic, so I expect it to be bad. Ever hear merging, jackass? Kind of hope if I can get the wind protection without -20 gain. Around -12 seems to have other mics at least picked up the bike noise at a good level, but sometimes it was getting overwhelmed. Alright, the visor down. Alright, this is visor down to -20. Not quite super high wind speed. There's input clipping and actual physical microphone clipping, and in the helmet a lot of times the wind actually overcomes the microphone design, and that's actually what causes the clipping. So because I went down the rabbit hole of the whole 32-bit float supposedly never clips, this and that, but the microphone itself can still get overwhelmed by the wind. So I think it helps, but it's definitely not a silver bullet for making things work. Fortunately, that mic too seems rather large, and according to one thing which I saw, it might only have like 4 hours of battery life, which isn't horrendous, but it can be very easy to forget about and then be stuck with a dead microphone you can't even use. Oh, come on, lights. Why can't lights be synchronized? Alright, out in the wind with the visor open. Normal speeds. Can't limit the gain in a Hero 8 from the input. So I saw back then people were using like a analog headphone reducer volume control type thing to do it. Something techy like that. Something's all warmed up. Come on. with the visor open.
Visor closed. Maybe a tiny bit. Definitely go the way it would have been if I tucked in, but a normal height riding is good.
Alright, I guess subsequent test is microphone. What did I do? I re-wrapped it. It's in more felt, different tape, I think. Don't remember exactly. I think I took a picture of it. If I did, post it here.